Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Jedwi Group. We are doing a smart bracelet monitoring system. This video I want to tell you about our progress product video. So before that, I want to tell you about overview about our system. So smart bracelet monitoring system is to detect the other bracelet at our nearby. So before that, so this bracelet carry our status, our COVID-19 status, which is for the user that have symptom or don't have symptom. So this smart bracelet wearing our status. So when they go out, for example, to the shopping mall or the other place. So when the person who wearing the bracelet located to the near them, so the bracelet will give an alert, which is for example vibrate or LED or light or LED. So this is our smart bracelet system functional. So for our progress, so currently we are doing mobile apps using Flutter. So what are the function of this mobile app? So this mobile app is using to get the data, to get the status from the user. So firstly, the user need to register. So to need to register before using this app. So they are required to fill the name, email, and password. Maybe for our next progress, maybe we can add address or anything else. So after the user register, the user are required to log in into the this app. So user required to insert the email and password. So after the login, user required to fill up or to answer a few questions regarding to the help. So there are a few questions that the user need to answer and submit the form. So when the user submit the form in the other page, so it will display the about the user status, which is the user have a symptom or no symptom or have uh, that that's all for now. So we also have our map page, which is to locate the other user when the bracelet detect each other. This is for the when the user that wearing the bracelet go out, for example, for go out for the shopping mall or other place, and the other user also wearing the bracelet. So when, for example, when they go to shopping mall and they are nearby for each other, and the bracelet will detect the other bracelet. So when the bracelet detect other bracelet, so it will give the alert for the user that wearing the bracelet, which is for example vibration or LED light. So when the user know the other user that wearing the bracelet is nearby, they can check the location of the user in this map. So in this map will appear the user that wearing the bracelet around them, so they will detect. This bracelet also carry the data, the status of each user. So when they detect the location of the other user that wearing the bracelet, they also can know their status. So this is what are we currently doing. We are doing the mobile app for the text. For firstly, we are using this mobile app. So the product that we are thinking to connect with this mobile app to make sure that our project become successfully. So firstly, the product that we are doing is IR sensor. So IR sensor is to measure and detect infrared radiation in its surrounding environment. So we plan to insert to put the sensor into the bracelet. So it will detect the other bracelet that are nearby them or us. So when the other bracelet come close to the sensor or to the other bracelet, the infrared light from the LED will reflect and or also can have a vibration. So the second product that we use is Arduino board. Arduino board is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. So Arduino board is when we get the data from the user when they fill out the form, the status will send to the Arduino board, and Arduino board will send into the IR sensor. So when IR sensor detect the other bracelet, so it will give the output for the user, which is the LED or the vibration. So the third product is jumper wire, which is this wire we are using to connect the Arduino board with the IR sensor. And the last product that we use is USB cable type A or B. This cable we use to connect the mobile phone with the Arduino board. This is we are used to send the data to the Arduino board. We send the status of the user to the Arduino board. So I think this is from our team. Thank you.